Let's talk about a brand new feature in our Convotherm Mini Pro, the air fry mode. And air frying as a slogan is getting more and more popular all around the world. Frying products with less fat is getting important, and from a healthy perspective it's even better. So in our Convotherm Mini Pro, together with our Airflow Pro, together with our Crisp and Tasty, we combined those features and we named it Air Fry. And we find this under the chef's hat in convection air. And we see on the right side the button for air frying. The beauty here is it's not only a feature, it's actually a whole function where the Convotherm Mini Pro is ensuring and taking care to deliver perfect fried and crispy products. So how does it work? You are adjusting your temperature depending on your product. Is it veggies, is it fries, hash browns? Let's take 210 degrees Celsius. Then you're adding your time. Depending on the loading quantity, let's say 8 minutes. Then of course we have the fan speed adjustable, and we have our Crisp and Tasty, what is important for delivering perfect crispiness. As more loading quantity is inside the cavity, as stronger the fan speed should be, because there with Airflow Pro we deliver the perfect heat dispense and the better even browning. At the moment I use air fry mode, what we are doing now. You can see fan speed and Crisp and Tasty is not adjustable anymore. And here is the perfect deal. The Convotherm Mini Pro is creating now the perfect and right environment for fried products. What happens after I'm pressing start is the Convotherm Mini Pro is preheating to the maximum temperature of 250 degrees. After that, I get a signal to open the door and load in my 1 or 5 frying baskets. And this brings us also to an important point. For perfect fried products, you should use the right accessory, in this case a frying basket, where the air can go through the product and make it nice, even brown and crispy. And after closing the door, what happens? The temperature drops down, because we work with chilled or frozen products, and also even 1 tray or 5 trays. And the recovery phase to reach back, in this case this 210 degrees Celsius, that is the critical phase that Crisp and Tasty is not getting activated too early. And the beauty is you don't have to think about when to activate Crisp and Tasty. You cannot do anything wrong with the low fan speed, for example. With air fry mode activated, the Convotherm Mini Pro is taking care of all those parameters. So the unit is controlling the recovery time, the recovery temperature, and then in the right environment, Crisp and Tasty, for example, is getting activated automatically in the right moment. So, and with this air fry mode together with our Airflow Pro, we are achieving in a really short time perfect brown and crispy fried products without using any additional oil. So this little bit oil what is surrounded on our frozen fries, veggies, hash brown is more than enough, together with the right accessories, to deliver perfect, healthy fried product.